Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to convert low resolution pictures to high resolution in Photopea. Alright, so let's begin. Now, as you can see on the screen, I have this logo that I found on Google and it's looking a little pixelated. You can see all those harsh edges. We're going to change that. To start, go to Image, then select Image Size. Change the DPI to 300. Once set, click OK, and your image will become significantly larger. Now, when we zoom in, the pixels already look a little better, but there's still a bit of haziness. Next, go to Filter, then go to Blur. Now, go to Gaussian Blur and adjust it based on your image until the lines look clean. You can zoom out to get a better idea of the final look. When you're happy with the adjustments, click OK to lock it in. Now, just from these changes, we can already see a noticeable difference. Next, add a new adjustment layer, go to Curves and adjust the slider. Move the bottom point to the right and the top point to the left until you find the perfect balance. Once done, close the menu. Now, you can see the transformation from the original to the enhanced version in just a few seconds. It's a straightforward process. More complex images might require additional steps, but for this one, as you can see, it is way better now. So that's basically how you can convert low-resolution pictures to high-resolution in Photopea. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.